Aloha food forest world. This is Tutu Signs here at Aloha Food Forest, and I am hanging out in the garden today, and I will be reading to you from the book Our Path to Infinite Abundance. And today I'll be going over the chapter What is a Forest and what is a food forest? Okay, and I just wanted to say that now more than ever, this message is important for everyone. This is our key to freedom as individuals. And it's also a message of love, because our planet is designed on biodiverse community, everybody working together in harmony, and that's the way a food forest grows. So anyway, now getting to the book. What is a forest? Forest can be either a noun or a verb. Here are Google's definitions of the noun form and the verb form. The noun forest means a large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth, such as in the phrases a pine forest or much of Europe was covered with forest. There are many synonyms for the word forest, including woods, woodland, timberland, trees, bush, plantation, jungle, rainforest, pinewood, greenwood, taiga, boreal forest, Carolinian forest, Acadian forest, and I would like to add food forest. Here's how you can use the noun forest in daily life. I love eating from my food forest, or you will love growing a food forest as a source of fresh food, or we all grow food forests near our homes. So the verb forest means to cover the land with forest, to plant with trees, to create a forested area. Here is how to use the verb forest in daily life. I forest, you forest, he forests, she forests, they forest, we all forest. And alternately in conversation, what are you doing? Oh, I'm food foresting. Lucky you. I wish I were food foresting too. What did you do on your vacation? I had an excellent time. I food forested. Really? Where did you food forest? Over at my cousin's house. They have a big yard and we had fun food foresting over there last weekend. Wow, I wish I could learn to food forest. Great, then you've come to the right place, because Tutu is here to teach you how to food forest. Yay! The origin of the word forest originally from the word forest denoting outside. Later, forest denoted a wooded area kept for hunting. The Latin words forestis silva literally mean outside wood. A forest consists of trees and undergrowth outside, where you see tall trees reaching for the sky with shorter trees sheltered among them. You see leafy little plants and ground covers growing in shady and sunny spots. You smell the aromas and inhale the fresh air full of oxygen. You see or hear birds and other animals that live in the forest. When you are quiet and still in a forest, you soon realize that something is different. And what is that difference? No human workers are in there working their day jobs. No one is planting new plants, fertilizing, watering, plowing, tilling, spraying, or trying to control the wildlife. No one is doing any jobs to make the forest grow. Forests grow the densest biomass on planet Earth with no help. Okay, so go ahead and breathe. Let that sink in. I give you this food for thought. Easily a forest grows according to natural principles without help from human work. Now the next chapter. So what is a food forest? Food forests grow a variety of food-bearing trees, food-bearing bushes, and edible ground covers in a community, just like in natural woodlands. Here's the big difference between a forest and a food forest. You get to choose what grows in your food forest. Think of the possibilities. You get to choose what you love to eat and which flowers or lumber are valuable to you. You get to decide which tall food trees will grow as an overstory windbreak and which shorter food producing trees will grow in the shelter of the taller trees. You choose which berry bushes and berry vines, herbs, ground covers, and root crops will grow. You can pick whatever you like to eat that grows in your area. In any food forest, there will be lots and lots of flowers with different colors and shapes and fragrances because fruits, nuts, and seeds all grow out of flowers. Here are some questions you might be asking, and I'll give you the short answers here. Question: if natural forests grow on their own, then do food forests grow on their own? Answer: once established, yes, they certainly do. In the beginning, you can speed the process enormously by planting trees and seeds and caring for them while they are young. Question: since natural forests don't require our help with tilling, watering, plowing, fertilizing, or spraying of insecticides, fungicides, or herbicides, or controlling wildlife, do food forests need our help with those things? Answer: in establishing a new food forest, we do water, fertilize, and manage wildlife. But once well established, a food forest will grow on its own without human help. Question: can I easily grow food by imitating a natural forest? Answer: yes, it is quite easy to start and more natural over time because trees live long lives and seeds plant themselves. Question: why and how do food forests grow on their own? Answer: plants multiply in many ways. They can expand fractally through roots and stems and exponentially by producing seeds. Question: since forests easily grow the densest biomass on Earth, do food forests grow the highest density of food in your yard? Yes. Answer: yes. Food forests grow a large variety of foods in a small space because the plants grow together as a community. There are 9 layers or heights where plants grow in the same area. From below ground to the tallest trees, there's a level for every plant. And we're just about to wrap this up here. And this is a little cheer I like to say. Food forest sounds like food for us. So say it out loud, please. Food forest, food forest, food forest. Now say it like this. Food for us, food for us, food for us. Yay, that was fun. My friend, your food forest is waiting for you to plant something you love and grow it. I give you this food for thought. Food forests like to grow, given a chance. Once established, a food forest will sustain and replicate itself. So I believe that the Holy Spirit guided me to live on this place, to share this message with all of you at this time. I believe I was raised up with this message for such a time as this. And I hope you will check out the other channels or the other videos on the channel. You can learn how to create a food forest at foodforestuniversity.website. You can just learn a lot of fun things and see my blog at alohafoodforest.com. And I believe that food forests will help usher in world peace because we will learn that we can all love each other. Food forests are really about love, that that Mother Earth actually demonstrates love to us. So anyway, that's what aloha means. It means hello and goodbye with love. So I send you so much aloha right now, and know that my heart is with you. Okay. Aloha.